Hello and welcome to BMC Discovery. In this video, we will take a look on how to perform import, export of root node keys in BMC Discovery. For this demo, we will select BMC Discovery 12.2 appliance. For the appliance that is integrated with CMDB, this process will save the identity of the root nodes in Discovery in case of appliance reset with model wipe in order to avoid the duplicate records creation in CMDB. To start this process, let's log into this appliance from command line with Tideway user. The first step that we need to do is switch to the screen mode. Screen provides the additional advantage that should the connection be dropped, you can reconnect to the appliance and reattach to screen where the processes are still running, completely unaffected by the dropped connection. In order to export the root node keys, you need to use the utility called as tw underscore root underscore node underscore key underscore export. Appliance.o1.key is the name. You can use any other name, but it has to be a .xml file. Click on enter. Enter the password used for BMC Discovery system user. Once the export is completed, you will see the message over here which says how many root nodes are exported. You can also perform the grep command in order to verify that the process has indeed finished. Once you have verified that, execute this command in order to determine the number of root node keys in the XML file. Here you can see that the number is 3. Please do make a note of this number. Execute command tail in order to identify that the file ends correctly. If the last two lines in the XML file looks like this, it means that the file is exported correctly. Now we will execute the tw model wipe command in order to perform the model wipe. Enter the password for the system user. Select yes. tw model wipe utility will stop all the application services, delete all the data in the data store, and then start all the services again. Once the model wipe is completed, now let's take a look at how to import these root node keys. For this import demo, we will use the same appliance. The first thing to do is open the screen session. Now let's execute the search root node key info to take a look on the number of keys in the root node key info, and we will make a note of it. This number should be 0 after the tw model wipe. Now we will import the root node key saved in our XML file using tw root node key import command. Enter the password of system user. Here you can see that the import is completed. Now once the import is completed, we will execute the query search root node key info again. This time it should tell us the exact number of root node keys imported. We will use this command to verify that the import was successful. Make a note of this number. As you can see that this number is the exact match to the number of root node key exports that we have calculated at the time of export. Make a note of this number. If the number of keys found in this step is close to the number of keys in the import file, then you can conclude that the import is successful. There should not be a mismatch in the number of keys found, otherwise the import could have been unsuccessful. Now let's log in. Here we will go to Explore and Query and run the query for searching root node key info. Here you can see that there are 3 keys over here. If the import has not been performed, then there will be no entries returned by this query. Now we will go to Manage and Discovery, and then we will scan these 2 hosts from the Discovery. Click on Add New Run. Enter all the IP address that belong to this host. Select the scope, enter the label, and click on OK. When you rescan the estate with reinitialize machine, any potential root node is compared against the root node key info node. And if a match is found for the discovery target, a new node is created using the key from the root node key info node, and the root node key info node is deleted. If no match is found in the root node key info nodes, then a new node is created with the new unique key. Let's take a look. We'll go to Explore and Query again. Select the same query and click on Run Query. As you can see here, for the two nodes that are scanned successfully, the keys are used and deleted from this result. You can also go to Explore and Reports. Here you can see the report in the Discovery Deployment section about the imported root node key information which has not been used so far. That's all in this session for right now. Thank you for watching.